Let me ask you a question. If I gave you a choice between replacing a system for a customer that you've been servicing for over the last 8 years, or replacing the system for someone who found you on Google 30 minutes ago, which one would you choose? Who would you rather go give a bid to? Every contractor knows the answer. Yet every single day, thousands of HVAC companies spend their time chasing strangers instead of building relationships with the customers that they already have. And today, I want to show you why that one mistake costs companies hundreds of thousands of dollars.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less. You check as I'm chess, what's happening next? Yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson. He got a new engine from pain, that's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I'll leave an impression and take a redemption. Just kill no discretion. Your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me.
Before we get into this subject, if your pricing has ever felt like it's just been a guessing game, I am hosting a frugal pricing workshop. I'm going to show you how to price your company so that you can earn the profit that your business deserves instead of just hoping after the job is over that there's something left over. The link is going to be in the description below. Now let's get back to why some companies make replacement sales look so easy. As I've always shared, and I'm going to continue to share, most owners believe that the answer is more marketing. More Google ads, more Facebook, more mailers, more leads. And marketing matters. I'm not going to say that it doesn't matter. The challenge is that marketed leads are expensive. The person who finds your ad, they don't know you, they don't trust you. Chances are they're collecting estimates. So before you even ring the doorbell, you're in a price comparison. Now, when you compare that to a longtime customer, you've shown up on time, you've got nice branded uniforms, you protected their floors, you fixed their problems, you answered the phone when they called, you communicated. Maybe they've already given you 5-star reviews. Maybe they're even on a maintenance agreement with your company. Well, when that system finally dies, the conversation is completely different. They're not asking, why should I choose you? They've already answered that question years ago. That's why existing customers routinely close and purchase from you at 70% or more, while marketed replacement leads may close below 40%, sometimes even lower than 20%. Trust compresses the sales cycle. Sale becomes a recommendation instead of a debate. Maintenance agreements aren't just recurring revenue, they're relationship builders. Every visit is another deposit into the trust account. Every tune-up reminds the customer who takes care of them. Every positive experience makes the replacement decision easier when the day comes. The part that most contractors are missing is that they spend thousands to acquire new customers, but they never build a system to actually keep them. No follow-up, no review process, no referral strategy, no maintenance agreement process, no email communication, no seasonal touch points. They buy the customer and then they let them disappear. Here's the life cycle that we're looking at. You market to the customer, then you book a service call. You deliver an incredible experience, you sell them a maintenance agreement, ongoing visits, repair opportunities, indoor air quality, and then eventually replacement, referral, and then repeat on the next customer. So most companies obsess over the first box, marketing. Exceptional companies master every box after the customer has been acquired. Pricing is what allows this entire machine to work. If you underprice every job, you don't have the money to train your people, stock your trucks, answer the phone well, deliver an incredible experience, or build relationships. Proper pricing isn't about charging more because you can. It's about creating a company that customers actually want to stay with. So the goal isn't to become great at finding customers. The goal is to become so good at keeping customers that you don't have to keep replacing the ones that you already paid to acquire. If your replacement sales feel difficult, don't immediately assume that you need better sales techniques. Ask yourself, how many customers already know you, trust you, and see you as their HVAC company? Build a remarkable experience. Build maintenance memberships. Build a retention process. Price your services so you can deliver excellence consistently. Do that long enough and replacement sales stop feeling like battles and they start feeling like the natural result of years of doing business the right way. If you would like help building a profitable pricing system that supports everything that we talked about today, I'd love to see you in this workshop. And I hope to see you in there. Go make money. Boom.